Hello everyone, let me talk about a little bit about the game description. So, Harmony Quest is an engaging multiplayer game that combines creativity, guessing, and social interaction. Players can generate images and audio, then challenge their friends to guess what they are. The first player to join becomes the super user who creates the content and poses questions. The basic users respond, earning points for correct answer. The excitement grows as friends compete for high score. This game was inspired by a childhood experience where I played similar guessing games with my family. They would make sounds or show images and I had to guess what they were. Harmony Quest brings that nostalgia to life while allowing players to connect online and compete with friends from around the world. How to run this game? It's really simple. Just open the terminal and type node index.js and it will run the socket, and from here simply input the npm run dev and it will run the front end. Open the browser and simply enter, for example, player 1, 1, 2, 3 and join. And as you can see here, waiting for more users to join. And let's open the new tab here and enter player 2 and room number 1, 2, 3. Now we have 2 users here. As you can see here, hello, and you can see here, hi player 1. Okay, we can also add another player, player 3, 1, 2, 3, and as you can see here, hey guys, as you can see here, you can see the chat. They can chat here instantly, and let's begin the game. Okay. Let's generate some image. A bluebird performs at an outdoor concert with 3 musicians. It will send IP request to DALL-E OpenAI API and it will generate image, and the users can see this image and guess it. First let's ask the question. For example, describe the image in no more than 20 words and send it to players. Now as players can see this image and answer. For example, blue bird singing. Submit the answer and you received, for example, I received a 4 out of 10. You can also generate the sound effects. For example, this one, generate sound. It will send the API request to 11 Labs API and it will generate some sound effect and return the sound effect, and we can ask the question as well. For example, this kind of sound effect. Now we can ask the question, what is playing, what instrumental, and send it to players. Now player 2 can see the sound effect and listen and answer. For example, I would answer it's kind of maybe some pad playing, melodic, what else? Simple, for example, I don't know. I just received 3 out of 10. Yeah, it's a nice game. So in the future I plan to introduce video generation and short animations, allowing users to find specific objects and even draw on them, and also payment integration. We will integrate a payment system to users with higher rankings can withdraw cash rewards and bidding options. Users will have the chance to place bids and compete for cash prizes, with the top scorer taking home the pot, and also transaction fees. We will implement the transaction fees and advanced commercial models to sustain and grow the game. Basically, that's all from me. If you have any questions, let me know.